Here's the gym. Girl, hello. Girl. Girly. Talali ka, girl. Bagong gising ikaw. Happy birthday. Spell again, Alsif?
Spell Alsif.
Hi, Bella! Bella!
Dito, ang daming nice.
Dito ka lang. Paano tingin mo, B? Kay M? Tingin kay M?
Ayaw mo? Lapot ka niya. Dito na lakad ba? Lakad ba? Yeah! Ang galing mo! Conversations in my head. Oh, masipit sa'yo. Ano ba?
Like too much? 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you'll tell the sea. Wondering if
Hi everyone! So today we're here sa Dubai Mall and ang agenda namin for today actually is kumuha ng tax refund dun sa mga biniling gold din na ate for Christmas. So kailangan mo siyang i-claim in 3 months and matagal kami actually nagayayaan na pumunta dito para ma-claim nga siya. Pero ayun, today lang siya na-push through. So ngayon, we're just ordering some food kasi lunch na din. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. So kakain muna kami and I'll see you guys later pag dumating na yung food namin. Bye! So we have some Chinese food, ayan. And some chicken from Albay.
Tikman nyo pa ito pa. Ito. Open natin na.
May beef broccoli. Eh, yun ang beef broccoli.
picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do.
Ito mahalo, hindi mahal. Para kay Bella.
Chicken.
Ito ata manghang. Lakot naman eh.
Ito lang akin, ito lang.
Ito manghang. Ito manghang.
Tiger sugar.
And everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun.
Bella ha? Matapalo ka.
Hi everyone! We're finally home! So yun, pag-uwi namin, dumiretso muna kami sa Carrefour kasi mag-grocery si na ate for our food for the week since it's Sunday na nga. And then magpapasok na ulit sila starting tomorrow. So ayan, andyan si Bella. And i-haul ko na lang ulit yung konti kong napamili sa Carrefour. So the first thing that I got from Carrefour is, ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman, yung nangasab na ni Bella. Come here, pakita mo yung egg mo, yung Kinder Joy. So ayan. Ayan. So, ayan, nakain na niya. And ayun, the next thing that I got is ito. Chunky KitKat Lotus. 5 pieces to, tapos 5 dirhams lang siya. So, bale, 1 dirham lang each. And bala ko pang pasalubong to. So, ayan. Next is, I got some protein or cereal bar. And ito yung classic green tea from Lipton. Ayan. Meron kami dito, pero yung amin kasi may flavor na mint. Eh, hindi ko masyadong trip yung mint flavor. So, bumili ako nitong classic lang. 25 tea bags to for only 5.25 dirhams. Parang ganun. And the last few items that I got is beauty products. So, the first thing that I got is this Wet n Wild nail polish in the color Casting Call. So, yung color niya is medyo pinkish. Ayan. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Wala lang, natirapan ko lang bumili. Since mga fake nails lang yung meron akong nadala from Philippines. So, nabili ko siya for basta around 7 dirhams lang, ganun. The next thing that I got is itong Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. Ayan. So, sinerch ko kasi yung mga magagandang products from Wet n Wild. Kasi nga, sabi ko, sayang naman yung sale. So, ano pa bang kailangan ko? And ano pa bang magagandang pwedeng bilhin? Both from Maybelline and Wet n Wild. So, ito, this is in the shade Dulce de Leche. Let's move on to the last product that I got, which is itong Maybelline Lash Lift Mascara. Na-realize ko kasi, isa lang yung ginagamit ko na mascara, which is from Maybelline also. Ayun yung Hyper Curl Mascara something. So, bumili na lang ako ng isa pa para yun nga, stock. So, ito palang contouring powder is nabili ko for only 18 dirhams. And ito naman is 21 dirhams. So, basically, that's it. Ayan lang yung mga napamili ko. Also, share ko lang rin sa inyo guys. Bumili ako nito kasi ito yung parang healthy chips daw, sabi ng sister ko. And bumili na kami nito before. Pero, hindi ko nakita na expired na pala siya. So, ano to, Viva? Ba't kayo nagtitinda ng expired? Charge. guys! So, happy Valentine's Day! And we're here sa area around Dampa. So, basically, ayan yung Dampa. Tapos, ito yung balak namin kainan. Ayan, Zuto Suki Ramen. So, ayun, we just went here after nung dentist appointment namin. Dahil Valentine's Day, medyo punuan dun sa kakainan namin. So, pang 5th or pang 6th ata kami sa line. So, we're just waiting. And I'll update you na lang guys later pag naka-order na kami. And nandun na kami sa restaurant. So, bye! Ito yung prices ng ramen nila. Miso, Zuto Special, beef ramen. They also have some salad. Ito yung appetizers nila. May gyoza, takoyaki, chicken katsu. Tapos, mga sushi. Ayan. Ayan, may mga rice meals din sila. And meron din silang mga set. So, ito daw yung kakainin namin. Set 2. 96 dirham siya. May dalawang ramen, yakitori, chicken katsu, may dalawang salad, tapos unlimited drinks. So, ayan. Ang sweet ng Zuto Suki, meron silang roses sa lahat ng girls. Ayan. Tapos, meron silang ganito. Ayan. Tapos, ang laman niya is, sinopen ko na yung kay mami. Alcohol spray. Tsaka, ito pa. Ay, nahulog. Yeah, thank you, Zuto Suki. Yan, we have chicken katsu. Let's try this chicken katsu. Malit. Ito yung isang spicy na ramen, di ko alam kung ano. Tapos, ito yung ni-recommend ni ate. Shoyo ata, parang shoyo. Hi guys! So we're done eating na and grabe, sobrang busog ko.